Bagendrete kuborigwa gwecokia na konyora oborinko oria boboreire bwa cancer anene cervical cancer ase abasibati chingaki omuroberi obwo oboringo oria bwabosa ogendrete ase chinsemo ao muroberi oyo okorawane kiombegi ya Pink Foundation korwa sensemo ya Machengumbu nigo ritkoria rero baikirana sensemo ya Entanda ime ya Kitutu Chache North asibaba kuru oborinko oria bwabosa nabo igo bosemia gochiase abantu muri kyo ito Mildred Momanyi nekirana sayo no gutwarganira roboti orwa senchera yoboikirano
oborwaire bwa cancer yoroiburu rwa basubati gose cervical cancer nigo bokororekana konyora abasubati abange korengana nekiumbe gya WHO imeye county ya Kisii asensemo ya Entanda imeye bunge ya Kitutu Chache North nigo abasubati banyora oboringoria babusa ase binyinyi bya cancer kurwa ase kiumbe gya Pink Foundation kurwa Machengumbu gwetera ase omwMC bwenseme yo Peter Otachi buna omoteneri kurwa ekiumbe kyo akoerera.
Our mission is to come into countries where there are high rates of cervical cancer and to train local medical personnel on how to screen and treat for that cancer. So what we do is we work with community leaders like Peter, who when we are here we mobilize around 2,000 women over a course of 2 weeks, and we spend that time training about 6 to 10 nurses or clinical officers during that time. We will, by the end of these 2 weeks, hopefully have 6 different wards with new equipment. That way they are able to continue screening and treating for cervical cancer without us being here.
Nigo bateba omubaro bw'abasubati bali abanyora obulingoria ase litkulia leron ase omwMC asaba abantu gwesokia ase obonge eli konyora obulingoria.
Gontaite ko saba abantu baito bagusia sebabeta bache in large numbers bache bapimo oburiro bwa cancer no bubebole twarire bo goita abantu bande nande bore very expensive lakini abachire bago bweni busa yera bebiya kero montate ki opportunity ye elinde tonyare gokonya abantu baito.
For today we've done almost 200 women who have been HPV tested. Our target is going to be 2,000 over the 2 weeks.
Omo MCA nigo atebire abagakati bali gochigwa magega ase aene kiribuna mbachikoligia ebyombe au biribira konye abasacha elio na barobukulingoliwa kurwa ase binyinyi ebyo.
Cancer. So gentonda sabenkedinga we also looking karo setonyore donende ya prostate cancer. So far ntugwate ekorukunga heart twabakwaneire want to see whether antonyore edoni ya prostate cancer bagaka na barobo nongi gutomanyo yo bwate prostate cancer go sentonyore komokonya abo igonto bwate plan yo kubeka abangi na barwarete ngorere bokoroko boburire bo enyamoreo utaenda nyakashi tokorana na bakora. So we have a discussion with WIP Foundation ndishitwa bekamo turane turabakonya twabandi begoro economic activity baranyare gukora na bintu binde
gati abangina abo banyora obolingoria nigo bakira omwMC mbya mono ase okubanyora nabo igo ase basaba abasubati bonsi gwesokia elio konyora obolingoria obo bwabosa
akingwere nimbya mono ase ngenjo yo omwMC ito aretire gendeke nande twegure gari atangasire binyoro gweta no inche gona twara no mogokoni yamu yo gokwana wetera asogo cheki wa abangina ntobwate gasi ankon wetera family twakorire nechi gasi tokora chinyinge bande twatibwe megongo twatibwa magoro tutamatie shida neriri
na renget yesterday igonko encourage abangina bande na baroba icha so bonge they understand borwere bwa cancer bona bako painful karibu ikiriji stage chinde ni vizuri mtu akipimwa mapema kama amepata hako nayo aweze kuanza matibabu mapema na atapona kabisa.
Esa isike na ibiko gwekorera yo manyene igo obururu bwa cancer mo metekero no bokongubure lakini rero gutwarete iruto kurwari gubusa injwa sobonga abangina batira sobongi.
Kuripotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV letaliane Mildred Momanyi.